It's a pleasure for me to introduce now our newest product on the Lenze in iseries inverter range. It's the i550 motec and followed by the i650 motec. There are mainly three main drivers. One is energy efficiency. iseries motec helps you reduce CO2 footprint and so increasing your energy efficiency of your machine. Second is digitalization. iseries motec plays a very important role in the preparation of the data which are needed for asset management, condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, and so on. Last but not least, it's total cost of ownership. So iseries motec helps you to have more projects solved, it's faster, it's easier, and you are able to have more cost-efficient solutions at the end. Energy efficiency is not just using IE4 motors. Energy efficiency is much more. Energy efficiency starts already in the engineering phase. And Lenze is in an excellent position that we also not only deliver energy efficient inverters, but also drive packages, means efficient gears, efficient motors, and also the corresponding tools which are needed for that. As I told at the beginning, so iseries motec, I mean, it's the most powerful sensor what you have in your system. And we made it even more powerful by integrating an IO-Link master. Now you are able to connect IO-Link sensors, which are the so-called Industry 4.0 sensors, which deliver much more condition information about your machines, and you connect it directly to the drive. One of the main drivers regarding costs is the whole cabling. And for that, we made it easy. Really, we have two lines which are going through the system. One is power cable, the other one is communication. All the cables are easily plugged, plug and lock. M12, we use the newest technology based on push-pull. Just push and click, and you have a reliable connection, very fast and easy.